Our next awardee we're excited to have here, and many of you here, is from CHA, Catholic Health Association of America. The National Association of Catholic Chaplains Outstanding Colleague Award recognizes outstanding dedication and service of professional colleague in a field other than professional chaplaincy. The award is presented to an individual or a group whose work has proven complementary to, supportive of, or otherwise has contributed to the advancement of the profession of chaplaincy in a significant and lasting way. And Father Lawrence is here to give the award.
Thank you, Rika. Over the years, NACC leaders have collaborated with the Catholic Health Association USA in many ways to advance the profession of spiritual care, partnering on many initiatives which led to the eventual development of metrics in spiritual care. I'm sure many of you are familiar with that, communicating the value of chaplaincy and spiritual care leadership. CHA partnered with NACC in the formation of a Pastoral Care Advisory Committee to make possible the continued collaboration on spiritual care among many spiritual care partners. Gradually, CHA formalized this advisory committee into one of the CHA administrative committees to further support pastoral and spiritual care leaders across the Catholic care systems. This advisory committee continues to make possible creative and constructive dialogue among those responsible for spiritual care, and in doing so, fosters dialogue in their systems and indirectly among the strategic partners represented on the advisory committee, that is NACC, APC, ACPE, and NAJC. The committee conducts research on spiritual care, creates tools and documents explaining and supporting spiritual care, and develops messages and metrics to advocate for spiritual care in their systems. The NACC is grateful for the continued partnership with the past presidents and present CHA President and CEO, Sister Mary Haddad, Dennis Gonzalez, my friend, and Senior Director of Mission Innovation and Integration, and our dear Jill Frisk, Director of Mission Services, to advance the profession of chaplaincy and spiritual care. And we are also very grateful for the board members and the staff of CHA for joining us today to celebrate with us. Let us now congratulate the CHA and invite Sister Mary Haddad to come and receive the honor.
Thank you very much for this recognition. It really is truly an honor to be with you this afternoon and just to experience this spirit of community in the room is quite remarkable. I'm happy to be joined by, as Father Lawrence said, some of my CHA colleagues here. We also have the privilege of having Damon Boatwright, the chair of CHA's board, who is also the president and CEO of Hospital Sisters Health System in Springfield, Illinois, and also a ministry colleague, Patrick McCruden. Patrick is the Chief Mission Integration Officer for SSM Health. This located the corporate office right here in St. Louis. I look around the room and recognize that it's filled with Catholic chaplains and spiritual care leaders. And we recognize that your ministry and your presence are profound gifts to the church and to those that you serve. I thank you for all you do to nurture the spiritual lives of individuals and families in their moments of most vulnerable times. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention your remarkable support of our clinicians and frontline staff care providers throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. On behalf of the CHA staff, our members, and the CHA Board of Trustees, I extend our gratitude to NACC for the vital work you do each day advocating for the profession of spiritual care, along with educating, certifying, and resourcing chaplains across the continuum of care. As you're well aware, the events of recent years have resulted in a growing understanding that attending to one's spiritual health is integral to providing whole person care, particularly in a healthcare setting. This emerging understanding serves to strengthen the vital partnership between NACC and CHA. Together, we must continue to create opportunities for collaboration, emphasizing the significance of spiritual care in whole person health. This includes recognizing chaplains as clinical co-workers and identifying opportunities to strategically align our efforts to support the work of spiritual care teams into the future. Jill Fisk, who's been recognized a bit ago, CHA's Director of Mission, and Erica are so committed to finding innovative and collaborative approaches to elevate the work of spiritual care providers throughout Catholic healthcare. They've done a remarkable job. United in our shared mission, NACC and CHA hosted a film screening and dialogue on A Still Small Voice, a documentary that raises awareness of chaplaincy, explores vocational discernment, unveils the complexities within clinical pastoral education, and highlights the importance of professional integration. And last February, alongside the Archdiocese of Seattle, we jointly sponsored a workshop for healthcare professionals offering virtual and in-person engagement. Now, these events sparked meaningful dialogue and bolstered great collegiality. It was important for the chaplains to be able to experience this, particularly in a healthcare setting, as well as other ministry settings. We look forward to more opportunities to unite as partners in our shared commitment to be an enduring sign of Jesus' mission of love and healing in our world. On behalf of the CHA staff, members, and the Board of Trustees, I'm honored to accept this year's NACC Outstanding Colleague Award for the Catholic Health Association. We're most grateful for this kind recognition, and I wish you a wonderful rest of your conference. Thank you very much.